Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change jump tracks in Fortnite. To change jump tracks, click here on the locker, then jump tracks, and now here by default I have two tracks. Jump track 1 and jump track 2 is this one. I can click on them to edit them, and then I can click here. And if you have multiple tracks in your collection, then you can set for each one of them. And to change a track, click on the track you want to set, then click on equip, and now it is set. Let's click on jump track 2 and click on this one, equip, and then when you're done with everything, click on back. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.